Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Can you run out of hot water with a tankless water heater? With a tankless system, there isn't a supply of hot water that can be depleted. Instead, the water heater heats up water as there is a demand for it. It will keep doing this as long as there is demand, and that means you won't run out of hot water. What is the downside of an electric tankless water heater? The main disadvantage of tankless water heaters is their upfront cost, unit and installation, is significantly higher than tank-style heaters. They take longer to deliver hot water. The water temperature is inconsistent when multiple outlets are on simultaneously. They cannot provide hot water during a power outage. How many showers can a tankless water heater run? 2 showers. A unit heating more than 7 gallons per minute can typically handle 2 showers in a large appliance. Important to note, tankless units do not literally provide instant hot water. The hot water still takes time to flow from the unit to the faucet. Why is tankless water heater installation so expensive? Installation is expensive because the unit needs a bigger gas supply than a conventional water heater does, and it needs to run its own exhaust flue to the exterior. Installation costs can vary widely, depending on the location of the flue and the gas supply. The unit itself costs between $800 and $1,000.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.